In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use Slack Huddle step by step, even if you've never used it before. Slack Huddles are perfect for quick voice or video conversations without scheduling a full meeting, and they're a huge productivity boost for teams. By the end of this video, you'll know how to start a huddle, control your mic and camera, share your screen, use reactions, invite people, and explore all the extra features inside a huddle. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Slack and go to your Slack homepage. Once you're inside the workspace, look toward the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see the Huddle option. Click on it to start a new huddle. Slack will instantly open a new huddle window, making it fast and seamless to connect with your teammates without interrupting your workflow. When the huddle window opens, the first thing you'll notice is the microphone button. Click on the mic icon to unmute yourself if you want to speak, or mute yourself if you're just listening. This is especially useful in larger huddles where you don't want background noise to distract others. You can toggle this on and off at any time during the huddle. Next, you'll see the video button. Clicking this lets you turn your camera on or off. If you want a more face-to-face conversation, you can enable video. If you prefer audio only, simply keep the camera turned off. Slack huddles are flexible, so you can switch between video and audio whenever you need. Another powerful feature is screen sharing. If you need to show a document, walk someone through a design, or explain something visually, click the Screen Share button. You can choose to share your entire screen or just a specific window, making it easy to collaborate in real time. Inside the huddle, you can also choose your own sticker. Stickers add a bit of personality and fun to the conversation, especially during casual team chats. Just click on the sticker option and pick the one you like. You can also react during a huddle by clicking on the Reaction button. This allows you to add quick emoji reactions to messages or moments without interrupting the speaker. It's a great way to show agreement, appreciation, or acknowledgement instantly. Make sure to check out the Canvas and Threads while you're in a huddle. The Canvas lets you collaborate on notes or shared content, while Threads help keep conversations organized. These tools are incredibly useful for keeping track of ideas and follow-ups during discussions. If you click on the More Actions menu, you'll unlock additional options and settings. From here, you can manage different aspects of the huddle and access advanced features depending on your needs. Finally, if you want to bring more people into the conversation, click on Invite People. You can easily add teammates to the huddle and turn a quick chat into a group discussion. Slack huddles make it simple to collaborate, brainstorm, and solve problems together without the hassle of scheduling meetings. And that's how you use Slack Huddle from start to finish. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tips and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.